Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to add member on Zoom meeting. Invited contacts with an existing Zoom account tied to the email address provided will receive a contact request in the desktop client. Invited contacts without an existing Zoom account tied to the email address provided will receive an email from Zoom, inviting them to sign up with Zoom. Once their Zoom account is created, they will need to click on the link in the initial email to confirm the contact request. To add member, just click on Contacts at the bottom, then click the plus icon at the top right corner to add an email. Click on Invite a Zoom contact. Then enter an email address. For example, I will choose this one. Then click on Add. Again, click on OK. So now in this page, you will see who you add in your Zoom meeting. If you want to add more, just do the first one. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.